Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are doing well. Now, I am going to teach English literature, chapter 8, The Tree and the Woodcutter. Now, I am going to teach English literature, chapter 8, The Tree and the Woodcutter. Okay, are you ready? All of you take your English literature book, page number 74. All of you take your English literature book, page number 74, chapter 8, The Tree and the Woodcutter. First, I will read the lesson, then I will explain. Listen, all of you. It is springtime. The sun is rising in the sky. The birds are singing. A tree is crying in the garden. Julie is looking for her ball near the tree. Julie, talking to herself. Where is my ball? Tree, it's crying. Julie, looking at the tree. What is wrong with you? Why are you crying? Who hit you? Tree, nobody hurt me, don't worry. Yes, are too young. You won't understand. What is your name? Julie, my name is Julie. Now tell me what is wrong with you. The bracket it is, a rabbit is hopping in the grass. He also hears the tree cry. Then rabbit, talking to the tree, why are you crying? Tree, a crow told me that a woodcutter is coming to cut me down. Rabbit, speak loudly in the bracket. Are they going to cut you down? Where am I going to hide then? The doe and the crow come flying. Where am I going to build my nest? Doe, what am I going to eat? Flower, who will give me shade? Sun, how sad the garden will be. We will have less trees to offer sunlight. Crow, there he comes, the woodcutter. Julie, let's get together and think. You should do something to save our friend. The woodcutter comes with an axe in his hand. Woodcutter, I will cut this tree. The woodcutter picks up his axe. He strikes it at the root of the tree. The rabbit comes and throws his axe to the ground. The woodcutter is surprised. He tries to cut the tree again. He raises his axe. The crow throws his axe to the ground. Woodcutter, what is happening? Why are these birds and animals troubling me? Tree, oh, please don't do that. Julie, listen how the tree cries. Woodcutter, who's crying? Is the tree crying? Who cares about the tree? Do you all care? Julie, we all care. It gives us fruit. It protects us. It gives us fresh air, and it's our friend. Woodcutter, but I need the tree's wood to cook food and get warmth. You can find wood in the fallen branches. I can help you in collecting these dry branches. The rabbit and the crow and the doe request together, please don't cut the tree. Julie, hangs the tree. We will not leave you. Woodcutter looks embarrassed. I understand now. Let the tree live. Julie jumps happily. Thank you, sir. Then the rabbit and the crow and the dove speak together again. We did it, we did it. The woodcutter goes away after collecting the fallen branches of the tree. Then Julie, he is gone. He understood our friend is sound and safe now. Tree, I am very happy. Thank you, my friends. This is the lesson. Now I am going to explain the summary of the story. Listen, all of you. Okay, listen. See, all are seeing one tree is there. Seeing? Okay. One day, Julie is searching her bowl. Julie is searching her bowl. Then he heard some sounds for cry. She's searching. Then what happened? See, the tree is crying. The tree is crying. Julie asked the tree, what happened? Then that time the rabbit also is coming. Then they are talking the tree. Why are you crying? The tree told a crow. The tree told a woodcutter is coming to cut me down. Tree told a woodcutter is coming to cut me down. Then what happened? Rabbit also is there. Are they going to cut the down? Where I am going to hide? All are asking about ourselves. See, the rabbit and the dove, the crow, they are asking their shelter. Crow is asking where I am going to build my nest. Dove is asking what I am going to eat. Flower is asking who will give me shade. Sun is asking how sad the garden will be. We will have less tree to our sunlight. Then all are asking about ourselves. Then see, the woodcutter had come. Then the woodcutter are asking, why are they birds and animals troubling me? Why are these birds and animals troubling me? Tree told, oh, please don't do that. Then listen how the tree cries. The tree also is crying. Woodcutter, see who is crying? Who cares about the tree? Then Julie said, we are here, it gives us fruit, protects and fresh air, all the trees are giving. Then what happened? I need, then woodcutter said, I need the trees wood to cook food and get warmth. Woodcutter is told, I need the trees wood to cook food and get warmed. Then Julie said, I will help you. I can help you collecting these dry branches. Then rabbit and crow and dove also is said, we will help you. Then we will not leave you. Then they understand, the woodcutter understand now, let the tree leave. Julie said, thank you. The woodcutter understood what they said. Then the rabbit, the crow and the dove very happy because the woodcutter is not cut the tree. The woodcutter is not cut the tree. That is why they are very happy, and they are very happy because they are not cut the woodcutter is not cut the tree. Okay, this is then they said, thank you sir, thank you very much. They are told, we did it. The trees and the crow and the crow and rabbit and all, they are disturbing with the woodcutter. Then they are told, the woodcutter listened and he did not cut the tree. It is the summary of the story. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, the next class I will give the question answer, word meaning also. Then some exercise also next class I will read. First you do the homework. It is the homework. Read this lesson 5 times. Read this lesson 5 times. Which lesson? Chapter 8. This lesson read 5 times. Okay, thank you. Happy New Year.